Hello and welcome to Teaching with Tech. Today I would like to demonstrate the Ion Analysis Lab, a free interactive simulation designed to help students studying the CIE IGCSE Coordinated Science course. Using this simulation, you'll learn how to identify unknown ionic compounds using systematic qualitative analysis. Let's get started. Here's your virtual laboratory. You have 10 unknown samples labeled A through J displayed on watch glasses. At the top, you'll find buttons for the flowchart and notebook. We'll explore these later. You can also save and load your session to resume your work later. On the right, you have two testing modes, flame test mode and test tube mode. Let's start by selecting a sample to test.
I've selected sample A. Now let's perform a flame test to check for metal ions. Click the flame test button. The sample is now loaded onto a nichrome wire loop. Now simply move your cursor over the Bunsen burner flame. Excellent. The flame turns lilac, which indicates potassium ions are present. This is our first clue. Now let's switch to test tube mode to test for anions. That's the negative ions. First, we need to dissolve our solid sample. Click Add Water. Great. The solid has dissolved. Now we can test it with different reagents. Let's add dilute acid to see if a gas is produced. We can see effervescence, which means this likely contains carbonate ions. We could confirm this with a lime water test for carbon dioxide. So we know sample A contains potassium and carbonate ions. That means it's potassium carbonate.
Need help identifying ions? The interactive flowchart is your guide. Click on the observations you made during your tests. The flowchart lights up the pathway to your ion. It's like following a treasure map to the answer. Use this tool whenever you're stuck. It helps you think systematically about ion identification. The digital lab notebook is where you record all your observations. For each sample, record your test results using the drop-down menus. Once you've tested all your samples, select the cation you identified, the ion you identified, and then the complete compound name. When you're done, click Check Answers to see how you did.
You can export your results as a CSV file for your teacher or for your records. And don't forget, you can save your session at any time to continue later. And that's the Ion Analysis Lab. You now have everything you need to become an expert in qualitative analysis. Practice with all 10 samples, use the flowchart when you need help, and check your answers at the end. Good luck and happy analyzing. See you next time on Teaching with Tech.